Hello, in this video we'll talk about the chapter 21, divide AB by X. It means how to divide the number of two digits by one digit. Let's see, for example, if we have to divide 85 by 6. We usually think what number times 6 equals to 85, but 85 is greater than 60 and we don't know. So here we have to divide. We learn how to divide these two numbers. 85 called dividend, 6 called divisor, and the answer is the quotient. What is the meaning of dividend? It is the number that you are going to divide it. What is the meaning of divisor? The number that we divide by it. Quotient is the answer. Now, let's see how to set up these two numbers. We draw a line like a stair, and we write here the dividend to the right, which is 85, and to the left we write the 6, which is the divisor. Here we write the divisor, and here we write the dividend. Now, what we have to do? We have to take one digit to the left. We have to take this digit to the left, which is 8. But we have to think if 8 is smaller or greater than 6. Because if the number to the left is smaller than 6, we have to take two digits. Now we have to take one digit because the divisor is one digit, in condition that this digit will be not smaller than the divisor. 8 is not smaller than the divisor. It is greater than 6, so we take only one digit. And now we have to see what we have to do. Let's ask the division man what we have to do. The division man says we have to divide like my eyes. So the first step, we have to divide 8 by 6. 6 times what equals to 8, or a number smaller and nearest to 8. It is 6 smaller and nearest to 8. We cannot say 12 because 12 is greater than 8. So what number times 6 equals to 6? It is 1. So 1 is the answer. And we write the answer here in the quotient. So here we write 1. Here we have to write 1. So now the second step, what we have to multiply, division man? We have to multiply like my noise. So the division man says we have to multiply like his noise. We multiply the 1 by the divisor. 1 times 6 equals to 6. So we write the answer under the 8. And the third step, the division man, what we have to do? We subtract like my mouse. So now we have to subtract the numbers. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. And to make sure that the answer is true here, after we subtract, we will get a number smaller than the divisor, and 2 is smaller than the divisor. Now we have to continue. What we do, division man? We bring down like my body. So now we have to bring down the next digit, which is 5, and we write the 5 next to 2. Now we have 25, so we repeat the steps. Step 1, we divide 25 by 6. What number times 6 is equal to a number smaller and nearest to 25? 25 is not multiple of 6, so we have to take a number nearest and smaller than 25, which is 24. We cannot take 30. 30 is greater than 25. So the answer is 4 because 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So we write the answer in the quotient. So here we write 4. Step 2, we multiply like my noise. So we have to multiply the 4 by 6. 4 times 6 equals to 24. We write 24 under the 25. Step 3, we subtract. So now we have to subtract these two numbers. 25 minus 24 equals to 1. Step 4, we have to bring down, but we have no digits to bring down. So the division is done. We finished the division. And here we have a number. And this number called remainder. Remainder. So this number called remainder. After we finish the division, we get a number here at the end. So it's called remainder. And the remainder is always smaller than the divisor. 1 is smaller than the divisor, so everything is good. Now we have to learn how to write the Euclidean writing. The Euclidean writing is dividend equals to divisor times quotient between parentheses plus remainder. What is the dividend? The number with that we divide, which is 85. So we write 85 equal. We open the parentheses. What is the divisor? The divisor is the number we divide by. 6 times the quotient. What is the quotient? The quotient is the answer, and the answer is here up. The answer is 14. The quotient is 14. So 6 times 14, we close the parentheses, plus the remainder, which is 1. So 85 equals to 6 times 14 between parentheses plus 1, called Euclidean writing. Thank you.